Hi guys, today I've got this fun double bun hairstyle which is perfect for summer. To start, divide the hair straight down the middle at the back, and starting on the left hand side I'm going to secure this into a mid-height ponytail. On the last turn of the elastic band, only pull the ponytail halfway through to create a loop. Then just repeat the same ponytail on the opposite side, pulling it halfway through on the last turn of the elastic band to create another loop. Split that loop in half and hold one to the top and one to the bottom, and then just secure it through the middle of each loop with a couple of bobby pins. So secure the top loop, hold the bottom loop underneath, and again secure it from each side with a couple of pins. I like to leave the loose ends hanging down, and then just repeat on the opposite side. So split your loop in half, position one above and one below that little elastic band, spread it out and hold it to the head and secure through the middle with a couple of pins. Do this on both sides of the loop, and then I've just finished mine off with a couple of clips, and it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.